Hi! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the basic foundation for a crocheted look. The cane rows, the crochet needle, and the hair. Let's get to it.
Here we have human hair. It's on the weft because it's for weaving, but what I'm going to do is cut it off the weft and use it to put into the hair, straight into the pad. Part the hair in such a way so that one line of cane row crosses over the other. In this way I can create a nice parting look where you can't see the lines all the way through to the back of the hair. And here we have the finished look. All the cane rows are plaited all the way to the base of the skull, and we tidied it away with a further cane row at the bottom. I usually start from the bottom, and then I go around the sides, working up towards the crown of the head. I do 2 loops when I do my crochet, just to make sure it's a little bit secure. I don't want it to come out. If it feels loose, gently pull. When you're done, give it a little trim. Make it look like a proper style. And here we have it. A realistic, curly look, all done with crochet. Hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, pop it down below and I'll see you next video.